so it's close up and further away is in focus. Otherwise, it's you can't use that autofocus with the video. You know, I think it's just too hard for any of those cameras to follow an airplane through the air like that. You know,
and it is a pretty small object for what for what it is.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what we were thinking. Like, set it to focus on objects between 100 and 1,000 feet away from the camera.
Yeah, that'll really open up that aperture deal. And then with video, it doesn't really make a difference because I think when you're shooting pictures, the aperture will slow down the exposure time. You won't get like that super fast millisecond exposure. Like I think the Rebel I got was like one of the first Rebels they had where it was shooting video. But I was so bummed out you couldn't use the eyepiece to chase stuff around. So here, a sunny day, you're standing out there trying to look at a LED screen. Yeah, and then you're just shit out of luck, You just kind of guesstimating where you're pointing. And then that one really super windy day we had over at Eagle over there was just so much dirt and a little moisture in there. So it started out with a real nice clear shot, and then when it was blowing over 90, and we were just a bunch of morons. It was like a once in a lifetime chance to fly in that windy weather, and it looked like you were shooting through a shopping bag or something like that. It got to be pretty bad. You could tell what was going on. You could tell there was a person flying a glider, but that was about it. And a bunch of wind noise. We got the noise too.
Oh man, I love that.